Stop by and take a look at the 2016 Colorado. Great hauling capability, powerful, rugged, and a great Chevy price. Colorado is it, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, steel wheels, tire pressure monitor, tires front all season, tires rear all season, four-wheel disc brakes, rear wheel drive. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.